Okay, good day. Close to the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, we've come to the residence of one of our clients to fix his faulty water closet. Challenge here is a leaky fan connector whose gasket is weak and a faulty fill valve that now fails to control the inflow of water into the tank. So these are the replacements: a new pan connector and a new fill valve for this. Here's the pan connector unveiled. And so alongside the pan connector is the fill valve, which you have here, whose function is to regulate the inflow of water into the tank according to the level which it is set when the time is due. So we've successfully assembled these components and we proceed to turning off the shut-off valve or the angle valve so as to check out our assembly to see if it is functioning as required. So this is Mr. Fill Valve faithfully playing his role. So from here we proceed to flush and check if there is any leakage beneath. So we now have this WC fixed and ready for use.
See the plumber for everything plumbing.